Hey everyone, welcome to our video. If you own an Oreck vacuum cleaner and notice a decrease in its performance, it may be time to change the belt. Don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to change the belt on your Oreck vacuum cleaner. So, let's get started. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Prepare your workspace. Find a flat, clean surface to work on and gather the necessary tools for the belt replacement. You'll need a screwdriver, either a Phillips or flathead, depending on the model, a replacement belt that matches your Oreck vacuum cleaner's model, and a pair of scissors. Unplug the vacuum cleaner. Safety should always be a priority when working with any electrical appliance. Make sure your Oreck vacuum cleaner is unplugged from the power source before proceeding. Access the belt area. Depending on the Oreck model you own, there are different methods to access the belt area. In most cases, you'll need to flip the vacuum cleaner over and remove the bottom plate. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws holding the plate in place, and carefully set them aside. Remove the old belt. Once the bottom plate is removed, you'll see the brush roll in the old belt. Take note of the belt's position and how it loops around the brush roll and motor shaft. Use your fingers or a pair of pliers to carefully pull the belt off the brush roll and motor shaft. Set the old belt aside. Install the new belt. Take your new Oreck vacuum cleaner belt and ensure it matches the old one in terms of size and shape. Begin by looping the belt around the brush roll. Make sure it is centered and properly aligned with the grooves or notches on the brush roll. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.